Everyone, my bad. So originally, I thought like, oh, it powered with a gear. No. So remember this, right? And I remember when I said like, oh crap, I probably lost a worm gear. No, there was never a second worm gear. This right here, the motor actually put on it for this gearbox to work. Okay, you need to put a gear, one of these gears right here. I believe it's one of the bigger ones because I think the smaller ones are for the driving. So I'll show that right now. So I genuinely thought like, oh crap, I forgot about gear, but no, I didn't forget about one. Thank God, I would be freaking out. I guess I'll remove this. Okay, zoom in. And if you're wondering, yeah, I soldered it on there. I'm not done using the red tacky. I thought I was, but I'm not. But yeah, I think I'm supposed to use the big gear, not the smaller one. Now you might be saying to yourself, well, do I go all the way like this? No, you're actually gonna put it like this. Like that. Bang, like that. Yeah, here's the big gear. You see how it's like poking out? Sorry, wait. Like that? That's how it's supposed to be. I genuinely thought a worm gear powered it, but no. I thought wrong. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Like that. Oh, focus. I think that's good enough. How does it taste? I never had black tea. Oh, I'm sorry. I was reading my notifications. But if you guys were wondering, it tastes pretty good. I got the caramel, salty caramel one. Tastes pretty good. It goes on like that. Boom, look. Goes on like that. Look at that. Do not lubricate that gear. Leave it dry. Well, I recommend it to leave it dry. Because originally, I don't think they put grease on this. I don't think. But yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. A lot of stuff, but hey, it's important. Oh yeah, and that too. Well, it's time to put it back together. Put it back together like that. And back up like that. And I like to do that with the gear. I hope this isn't like. Oh yeah, I'm gonna. Should I do that now? Yeah, I'm gonna do that now. I don't think it's gonna burn the plastic. Okay, like that. Like that. Let me tell you, guess how much soldering iron I have. Just guess how much. A lot? A little bit? Barely enough. This is my last soldering iron. I forgot to go to the store and get some more, but I will get more tomorrow. Right there. And pretty much so. Yeah, it has like a little thing for the metal part right there. I'm gonna suction all those solder stuff out. Because I do have my solder suction. Where is it? Right here. We're gonna do that. I really wish I had a tripod because, well, it's focusing on the carpet. I'm already this far ahead, so I might as well, unsolder that part. Oh, it's right here. I was about to say, like, where's the spring at? Well, while that's heating up, last part right here. This is the last thing. I think it's supposed to be like that. And this goes in like that. Okay. Okay, okay. And that goes like that. A little bit of grease. You don't need much, just a little bit. And then you just slide it back in there, just like so. And boom, look. This is all finished. Now, the only thing I have to do is just solder in the wires, which I'll probably do that some other time because I don't have enough solder. And also the wheels. Slide in the wheels. Well, that's done. Now it's time for this. Where's my solder section? Right here. I have never done it in this angle, but I'll try my best. That'll be fine. This will probably, be the last thing for my soldering thingy. Okay. This will probably be the last thing you'll see before it gets repaired. Okay. Wait. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, wait. Am I gonna solder these wires? No, I'm not. I do not have enough solder. Grab a piece of flux. Do that. Yeah, that's good enough. Look at that. That's my last piece of solder. And, well, that's pretty much it. I guess the only thing I have to do now is just turn this on to show you guys how it works. I hate this tripod thing. Now, which way? I think it's like this, right? Yeah, sure, why not? And this goes right here. Like that. Like that, pretty much. It's supposed to be like this. Do not do like the opposite, like one up, one down. That's not gonna rumble. I've already tried that, and it does not rumble. It doesn't rumble like this. It just goes like this. It doesn't go like this. And, where's the spring go? It's right here. Keep on getting scared. Actually, I'll just turn it on to show you guys how the turbo thing works. Oh my god. I'm so sorry that the camera angle is bad. See how this thing like went down? Look, watch carefully. Well, you can't watch it. Look. Flips down. And then when I switch the polarities, actually, let's switch it down. Is it white light? And look. You see how that's not moving? That means it's going back down. But when this thing is doing its thing like this, that means, yeah. Yeah, look. All messy again. But let me explain better. So when this thing goes down, right? That means that this thing is going up. Wait. This is what's going on. So, you know what this spring is for? There's like something. There's something up here. It's like this, and this spring actually, it expands like this, holding the trigger up. And once it reaches a point, it shuts down because it gets hit by this right here. And this pretty much, this doesn't move. This doesn't have any purpose. Does it? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Why is my brain like this? I try to come up with words. I know what I'm saying, but it just doesn't want to come out the way I want it. Okay, wait. I got this. This spring is important. Do not throw this away. And this is important right here. This is extremely important. So this is what's going on. Okay, so this spring right here connects up here. There's some plastic part up here, right? Wait. This, yeah, like this. This is how it's supposed to be. Like that. And this spring is pretty much holding this thing up. But once it reaches a point, this spring stops being like compressed or expanding like this and just go like this again, making this thing go down. And there's like a little stopping point right here where this thing hits and it stops it completely and it gets really tight. And this also stops this motor right here, or this gear, from rising. And then these things happen. It starts to hop using this right here. And by using the spring. But once it's done, this thing shuts off. You see this little line right here? When this thing goes up, it starts to hop. But when this thing goes down, this stops working. It completely stops. And then it slowly comes back down, and then the trigger quickly snaps right back up, making this not work, or stopping from hopping. And it goes down until this trigger right here. You see this little plastic part right here? The trigger goes right here, and once it goes a point, it presses on the trigger and it stops it from moving completely. Because if it kept on going, well, you would probably guess what would happen to that gear. Finally, I said it right. I just want to apologize that I didn't say it right. I'm really, really sorry that I did not say it right. I don't know what's wrong with me, really. Should I have a script? No, because I know what I'm saying, and I've been repeating this for like a long time. So why am I struggling? I don't know. I really don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and comment down below. Don't subscribe. Yeah, see you soon.